Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 7 and its title is Climate Change. So my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 4, we will learn under the title of Reading and Comprehension. And we will cover a page number 51, 52 and 53. As you know that, my dear students, before in English for grade 3, we have already learned that how we can use pre-reading strategies to predict the pictures, titles in unit number 1, page number 1 through different pictures. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are: use pre-reading strategies to predict the context of the text from topic or pictures. Scan a simple text for specific information. So this is our today's topic, SLOs that we are going to cover. My dear students and my dear fellow teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, verse number 1 to 5, read in the name of the Lord who created man out of a clot of blood. Read, and the Lord is most bountiful. He who taught the use of the pen taught man that which he knew not. So yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the power of knowledge, learning, reading anything. So as you know that this is the first verse of the Holy Quran and first revelation that Allah revealed on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this was the first revelation, and in this verse, Allah Almighty is saying to our beloved Prophet that read. That, and Allah has taught the man the use of pen that he knew not. And it means that reading and to get knowledge is coming from when this earth, this world is created. Till that, and Allah Almighty is also giving power to man who can get knowledge. Okay, so my dear students, so this beautiful verse is telling us about the importance of knowledge and about importance of reading of the Holy Quran. So let's see, few pictures are there, my dear students. So be ready and try to predict. There is a picture for you, and as you can see that, can you judge that which type of picture this is? And others are there. So you can see different pictures. I have given that you must see and predict and discuss with your teacher. Pause the video and discuss with your teacher. What do you get through these pictures? Welcome back. Good. I hope you have got that which type of pictures these are, that you can, different weather condition, different seasons are there, like this is autumn, which is this is winter season, and yes, this is summer season, and you can see spring is there. Okay, and there were different weather conditions are being shown due to these images. So let's see where we are moving and what we have to do. Now open your book, my dear students, page number 52, and we are going to start our reading from our first stanza. This is a poem. These pictures I have shown you. Okay, have you opened? Good. So now we are going to start. Leading the fight against climate change, lots of obstacles that we will face. Global warming is coming soon, but we'll still see the sun and moon. So yes, my dear students, these beautiful lines are telling us about the condition of our climate change, how our climate is being changed rapidly, how and which things is being faced to our earth, and lots of obstacles that we will face in coming time. This stanza is telling us that in coming time, a lot of obstacles, hurdles we are going to face. And why? Because global warming is coming soon. What is global warming? Global warming is an effect that the layer of the earth is also like getting down, weakened down day by day, and it is due to our activities, human activities, that it is also slowed down. Okay, but we will still see the sun and moon in coming time. Definitely Allah may not do that, though we will face few hurdles and obstacles. So you can see what you can say, my dear students. Can you tell what global warming is? Okay, can you tell? Good. I hope you have got it. And there are other words, obstacle, that we have already learned there. What is obstacle mean? A thing that blocks one's way. A thing that blocks one's way, a hurdle. Okay, that is obstacle. And climate, the weather condition is called climate. Okay, the weather, a long weather condition is called, it is a long term period, my dear students. This is called climate, and weather condition is a day condition, and it can change all to all, day by day. Okay, there is difference between weather and climate. So next stanza is, what about our plants and trees? Mother Earth needs some peace. On top of the trees are some honeybees. Lovely birds sweetly sing. Okay, now this is showing that how our earth is going on, and which situation is going on our earth, on our planet, with plants and trees. And our earth needs some peace, means we have to take care of our earth. Some peace mean we have to take care of our earth by our actions, because we are also polluting it, and we are not taking care of our planet. So we have to take care, because we are living here. Okay, so while reading question is there, how the trees change in autumn season. Yes, different seasons are there, my dear students. 4 seasons in Pakistan. So how whether trees change in autumn season? Which color? You can see in picture also which color trees are being changed in autumn season. Okay, good. Definitely they are going yellowish color. Okay, yellow green. Next is, why Mother Earth needs some peace. What do you think? Why Mother Earth needs some peace? Excellent job. Good. I hope you have done, because our Mother Earth needs some peace, because we are living here, a lot of human beings, animals. This is a place of a life home of many things, living things. So that's why we have to take care of our earth. Next stanza is there. Global warming might be near, climate change is already here. There is a lot of things we can't resist, the lovely earth that we should kiss. So it is a message, my dear students, through this poem. What is giving message that global warming is near, and also climate is being changed day by day, and it is being changed rapidly. And so we have to be careful. We have to be careful, and we have to think about it, that how we can do a lot of things that we should resist to do on our earth. Okay, that because this earth is a blessing of Almighty Allah, because we are living here and we are getting everything here. This is a suitable atmosphere for living things. So we have to take care of our earth. So see there is another word, resist. The word resist means oppose or work against. Okay, means to stop something. Next is, there is another while reading question, my dear. What is a climate change? What do you think? What is a climate change? How climate is being changed? Yes, over a period of time, my dear students. Climate change is always over a long period of time. Sometimes it can take decade, 10 years minimum, maximum 10 years to change a climate. Okay, this is climate change. Another question is there, how can we save our earth? So yes, give your suggestion to your teacher. How can we save our earth? Good job, my dear students. So see there, next is there, let us save our mother nature. Let us make it in a perfect structure. Life is pleasant here on earth. Don't let disaster become her birth. Okay, so this is the last message, and this message is giving us we have to save our mother nature. Okay, how we can save? By doing different things. We can stop to pollute water, we can stop to pollute our atmosphere, air, that is also creating disturbance while breathing. So that's why we have to take care of our earth through different. We must not cut down trees. It's a basic issue, my dear students, that is increasing global warming. Due to that, because we are cutting down trees, we have to plant more trees, that we should save our earth in a nice way. Okay, see there, structure. What is the meaning of structure? The arrangement of things. Pleasant, giving a sense of happiness. Pleasant means like these things we see and we feel so much happiness. So these are called pleasant things. Disaster, a sudden accident. Okay, disaster is a sudden accident, means that a thing that is completely like damaged. Question is there, what does the word distance mean? Write the main idea of the poem. So what is the main idea? As already I have discussed that this main idea revolves, the theme of the poem is that we have to take care of our earth, we have to plant trees, we have to take, because it will be very hard for us if we will not take few steps on time. Okay, so this is all that we have done that how we can get different things through our for our earth. So to now we are moving to an activity. There is an activity for you. What you have to do, my dear students, yes my dear teacher, get students into pairs, give them task to read out the poem and discuss its theme with each other. Okay, read once again that poem, because now I have taught you, now you have to read, and after that you have to get that and discuss its theme, its main idea with each other. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. I hope now you have got that which message is being delivered through this poem. Good job, my dear students. So what you have to do now in individual activity on page number 53, my dear teacher, you have to give them task in question number 1, answer these questions. These all questions are there and you have to do that in your notebook. So I am waiting for you. Perform this activity in your notebook as a classwork. Welcome back, and I hope you have done with it and you have got that how, because all these questions were those questions that already I have discussed during lecture. Good students. So what's your homework for today? Write question number 2 given in book, page number 53 in your notebooks. Question number 2 is there. You have to make different sentences. So this is your homework for today, my dear students. Yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students, that how they can scan, how they can comprehend the text. This is the scanning, that my dear students, when you will read a text, then you have to find out the answer from the text, okay, from a passage, from a paragraph. So what we have learned today? We have covered today how we can use pre-reading strategies to predict the context of the text from topic and pictures, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO and we have done with it as a nice way. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture, my dear students. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.